Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable auto-playing videos on Facebook for your Android phone. Those automatic video plays can really annoy you, especially if you're on a limited data plan or trying to save battery. Don't worry, I've got a solution for that. Let's start by opening the Facebook app on your Android. You'll find the Facebook app with the big blue F logo, either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once Facebook opens, tap the three little lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings. In the Settings section, scroll down until you see Media and Contacts. Tap on that. On the page that opens, look for Autoplay and tap it. You'll see three options there. On mobile data and Wi-Fi connections, videos will play automatically on both cell service and Wi-Fi. On Wi-Fi connections only, videos will only play automatically when you have a Wi-Fi connection. Never autoplay videos. Videos will never play automatically, you always have to tap to watch them. Choose Never Autoplay Videos. And just like that, videos on Facebook will no longer play automatically when you open the app or scroll through your timeline. They'll only play when you tap on them. You're all set. Disabling autoplay on Facebook can save you data, keep your battery from draining too quickly, and improve your overall experience using the app. Autoplay videos may seem convenient, but they can be more trouble than they're worth. Now you'll have more control over your Facebook viewing and can watch videos intentionally rather than having them distract you with each webpage load or newsfeed refresh. I hope this helps bring you some peace from annoying autoplaying videos once and for all. Let me know if you have any other questions or want more Facebook tips. I'm here to help you customize your social media experience. Thanks for watching. I appreciate any feedback on how I can improve these types of tutorial videos. Please subscribe to my channel for more useful tech explanations and recommendations in the future.